The standby signal number 1 is in force. The observatory will issue the strong wind signal number 3 at 9:40 p.m. tonight. At 5 p.m., Super Typhoon Ragasa was estimated to be about 780 kilometers east-southeast of Hong Kong and is forecast to move west or west-northwest at about 22 kilometers per hour across the Luzon Strait and enter the northern part of the South China Sea. Ragasa is a mature super typhoon, and satellite imagery shows its extensive circulation and a distinct eye of Ragasa. The maximum winds is estimated to be about 230 km per hour. Under the influence of the outer subsiding air of Super Typhoon Ragasa, it will have sunny intervals during the day tomorrow. As Ragasa maintains super typhoon intensity and edges closer to the coast of Guangdong quickly, local weather is expected to deteriorate rapidly later tomorrow. The observatory will consider issuing the gale or storm signal number 8 between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. tomorrow. Ragasa will come closest to Hong Kong on the morning of Wednesday. The weather will be persistently worse on that day. Gale to storm force wind will prevail locally, and winds may reach hurricane force offshore and on high ground. There will be frequent heavy squally showers and thunderstorms. Ragasa's track is a typical one, causing significant storm surge in Hong Kong. When it skirts past to the south of Hong Kong, the associated east to southeasterly wind pushes water towards the shore and pile up against the coast. In addition, Ragasa's extensive circulation drove a more extensive area of ocean, which in turn raised the water level further. Under the influence of significant storm surge, there will be a rise in water level about 2 meters over the coastal areas of Hong Kong in the morning on Wednesday. The actual water level depends on whether the time Ragasa comes closest to Hong Kong coincide with the astronomical high tide and also the wind structure and its closest distance from Hong Kong. The astronomical low tide on Wednesday will be around 4 a.m. and high tide will be around 11 a.m. According to the present forecast, the maximum water level can generally reach around 3.5 to 4 meters above chart datum, and the water level at Tolo Harbour may even reach 4 to 5 meters above chart datum. The sea level over the coastal area by then may be similar to that of Hatto in 2017 and Mangkut in 2018. Members of the public, please be well prepared for the high winds and flooding and should stay on high alert. Seas will be very high with swell. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. For the weather forecast, mainly cloudy, hot with sunny intervals during the day tomorrow. The weather will deteriorate rapidly with squally shower and thunderstorm later tomorrow. Moderate to fresh northerly wind at first. Winds will strengthen progressively tomorrow, reaching gale force winds later. So for the outlook, the weather will be persistently adverse on Wednesday with gale to storm force winds, and possibly up to hurricane force offshore and on high ground. There will be frequent heavy squally shower and significant storm surge. Wind will weaken gradually on Thursday, but shower will still be heavy at first. The weather will improve gradually in the following couple of days.